This doesn't work anymore. You see the LED is on, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Now it's working. Now, see? Yeah, so for that I've ordered from Bosch this part, which I believe is the one that is causing problems, and I will replace it. This is soldered here. I will have to remove it and put it here. Yeah, this is how the old one and the new one looks. So now I have it soldered here. All I have to do is put it back together and see if it works. And I replaced also this, which were pretty worn, and that's it. Good as new.